Hi, I'm Scott.
I'm Ashley.
Welcome to the Wild Blue Wanderers channel. So we're getting prepared to head out on a small road trip.
Go get him, Willie. Go get him. Get him, Cooper. Good boy, you heard him. Time to do some chores. So we're trying to get things ready to go. And where are we supposed to be going, Scott?
We're supposed to be going to Elkhart, Indiana.
Yeah, there's a lot of snow.
And it looks like there's going to be snow everywhere between here and there.
Here comes the big dump of Arctic air, and we've been talking about this well advertised for the last several days.
So we'll see if we make it or not. So this was after it was plowed yesterday. We'll see what it looks like when we get ready to head out. I think there's going to be a window of opportunity here next week. It's been snowing here like crazy, and it's supposed to start snowing again here in a few hours. So
hence the wind.
Yeah, hence the wind. Hopefully you can hear us okay. So we're gonna get everything packed up. Yesterday, Ashley cleared out the side bins of the motorhome, and I pulled it out today, went down and got the propane filled up. I topped the water, fresh water off. I actually want the weight in the motorhome for the drive.
Yeah, that way, hopefully, you know, it's like a pickup. If it's light in the rear, it's going to slip everywhere. So hopefully, lots of water means extra weight, means extra safety.
So follow us along. This is a short video this week, gonna let you know what we're doing. Hopefully we'll head out either Sunday or Monday, because that looks like the window of opportunity that's best gonna fit us, and we will keep you informed along the way where we're at and how we're going.
Yeah, and let us know what you think. Do you think we're a little crazy? January, end of January, heading across the United States from Oregon.
And all the weather reports have shown these big, ugly weather storms across the whole nation.
This morning, the latest wave of brutal winter weather in the form of a bomb cyclone detonating across the country. With another round of twisters and hail hammering the south and blizzards slamming the Midwest, with blinding snow and whipping winds causing whiteout conditions, snarling roads and blanketing neighborhoods.
But, you know, hey, you only live once, right?
All right. Follow
Thanks.
along. Like, comment, subscribe.